Welcome to the Social Tenacity YouTube channel. I am Brooke. I'm the founder of Social Tenacity, and I am on a mission to change network marketers from the spammy weirdos to people who are authentic and they can become an authentic influencer. We are creating a community of people who don't want to do a million reach outs, who don't want to bug their friends and family. And that's what this YouTube channel is all about. We are going to be covering topics like recruiting. We are going to talk about how to get more customers, mindset, personal development. We're going to be talking with clients that I've worked with and the things that they are doing and how they are making an impact and changing things in their business. We're going to talk about the things that really matter to you, and maybe they're things that people are talking about, but you have that sneaky suspicion that there's got to be a better way. And I'm going to show you step by step how to implement everything into your business starting today. I'm doing this because I feel like there needs to be a shift in the way that network marketing is run right now. And I am passionate about being that person that's going to come and show people like, yes, network marketing can be a great vehicle. You just need to know the right marketing, the right skills, to have the right tools in order to do it and not be that spammy weirdo. If that sounds like you, that you want to be an authentic influencer and be a part of this community, make sure you subscribe. Can't wait to see you on the other side.